Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we'll be looking on our budgie. This time we have some rainbow budgies. So their color, based on their color, then they are classified as rainbows. So now as you can see, we have these parents. They are quote unquote rainbows and they are looking quite beautiful. Do you love their colors? Yes, I do. And these are the babies that they have produced. I'm gonna hold them close so that you can see exactly how they look, the pattern of their wing as well as the color. So you can see that they are yellow with green in them, so we can probably say that they are lime green. Yeah, but yeah, this one now, he has more green in him than yellow. As you can see in his back, it is more green. He's not fully feathered up, but I said I gotta show you guys what is happening in this cub. We have some beautiful babies. So yeah guys, that's what I did today. I got this video and I said let me show my people what is happening. Aren't they beautiful, guys? Yes they are. Alright guys, that's it from me. Please remember to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time a video drops. Goodbye, adios.